In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Digibyte Core Wallet on a Windows 10 PC. So we're going to begin at our browser, and up at the address bar, we're just going to put in the official URL, which is digibytewallets.com, and it'll take us to the wallet website for Digibyte. You can also download this from the source, which is on GitHub, and I'll post both of these links down in the description below. We're going to scroll down a bit here till we get to the Core Wallet section, DGB Core Wallet. As you can see below here, we have multiple operating systems that it's available for: Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and we're going to be downloading the Windows version. So this is a 64-bit version that we're going to download. It's about 15 megs in size, and we'll just click on it to open it up, and we'll begin the installation. So we'll say yes to the user control, and then click on next, and destination, and basically everything in here we're going to leave as default. So you can click on next, and it'll begin to extract and install the files, and then once complete you can click on next, and then we're going to auto run this. So we're going to leave it selected and then click on run or finished. And right now what we're going to use is the default directory, but if you have a place where you keep all your core wallets in one spot, you can change the directory above, then click on OK, and it's going to begin to load the wallet. So we get a little bit of a firewall prompt here. We can click on allow access, so it's allowed through our firewall, and then it's going to begin to synchronize the header and the wallet. So by installing this core wallet, you're becoming a node on the network. You're helping support the network as well as keep a copy of the blockchain. So let's take a quick overview of what we have here. Let's just click on the hide button, and what you have right now is you have recent transactions. This is just a general overview of your wallet right now, if you have anything available, and if you have coins pending, and then your total amount, as well as you can jump over to recent transactions. If you click on send, this is where you can paste in the address of a Digibyte user, and then you can also add them into the address book. You can add a label so it's easy to refer to. You can enter in the label here as well, and then below you put in the amount, and you can use your existing balance to send to any users that want Digibyte. Next, we're going to click on receive. Receive is very similar. You can put in a label and an amount and a message, and then you can request it. So when you click on this, you get an option to get the QR code that you can just copy and paste this, as well as a little bit of text information below that has your address, and then you can copy the URI or the address or save the image, and then you can paste it in Messenger or an email or however you want to send it. You can use those options to paste it. Then lastly, we have the transactions. So below here, we have a list of all the transactions, but if for a detailed one, you click on the transaction link at the top, and then it lists all the transactions that you've made with your wallet. The next thing is to secure your wallet, and I definitely recommend you do this. What you want to do is just go over to the settings and then click on Encrypt Wallet. Now in here, you're going to type in your passphrase. Now this is a secure phrase. It's a layer of security for your wallet, and you want to use alphanumeric with characters. They're recommending at least 10 characters or more, and then you type it in twice, and then you can click on OK to save it. So if you look at the bottom, we don't have a padlock yet, indicating that it's been secure. But once you have it typed in, you can click on OK, and then you're going to get a prompt. And this prompt is letting you know that this passphrase is your only form of defense. If you lose a passphrase, you'll lose all your Digibytes. So ensure you keep your password in a very secure location, and you can easily retrieve it. Once it's completed, we can then go ahead and click OK here, and it's going to shut down the core wallet, and then we need to reload it so it refreshes all the changes. And what we'll do is we'll start it back up, go into our start menu, and just launch the core wallet. So again, we want to allow access to the firewall. And then over here in the bottom right hand corner, you can see that it's a padlock. So we see the padlock here. We know it's encrypted now and it's secure. This is a great step moving forward, knowing that your wallet is secure. Now, if you take a look at this window, it's still syncing the headers. It's about 23% right now. I'm about 7 years and 25 weeks behind. This will take some time for it to sync up, so don't think this is going to happen immediately. What you can just do is click on the hide button or minimize the core wallet and allow it to sync. It really depends on the speed of your connection in your PC for how long it'll take to sync it up fully. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.